Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of audible sighs of relief in the New Zealand dairy industry. This morning's dairy auction brought strong price gains across the board. Overall prices are up 12.7% in US dollar terms and up an equally impressive 11.9% in New Zealand dollar terms. Even better, the key whole milk powder price was up 19% to $2,695 a tonne, and this is the highest whole milk powder price has been since October 2015. Remember, in the meantime, it sank as low as $1,890 a tonne in February this year. So from that low, it is up more than 40%. Butter and cheese prices also rose strongly. These higher prices are also on rising auction volumes, the highest since August 2015. Behind today's gains are two drivers. Commodities are up generally in price, and secondly, EU milk volumes have peaked and are expected to fall further from here. And US milk volume changes are no real threat. Today's rise is the first tangible evidence that some analysts' 2016-17 milk payout forecasts of up to $6 a kilo are on track. That will be a significant recovery from the expected 2015-16 payout level of $4.25 a kilo. In the US, consumer prices were unchanged in July on falling petrol prices, but solid gains in industrial output and home building suggested a pickup in economic activity that could allow the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates this year. In fact, one Fed member said we could get two increases in 2016, the first as early as next month. And the influential head of the New York Fed also said a September rise is on the cards. They apparently see this month's strong rise in oil prices and the strong US labour market numbers both raising core US inflation well above what has been reported for July today. The RBA's Glenn Stevens said overnight that the US should just get on with it. The world is ready for more US rate hikes, he says. These hints of one or two cuts of rises are affecting Wall Street equities today, which are down 0.5% in afternoon trading. The US dollar is up, although the Kiwi is stronger yet. In China, we are seeing a rare divergence of opinion between two officials. Recently, the chief statistics boss of their central bank warned that they may be in a liquidity trap, one where stimulus money is being hoarded by companies rather than being invested in the economy. China's money supply data strongly suggests that is exactly what is happening at present. But today, higher-up central bank officials are refuting the suggestion. China's official organisations are not known for any form of disagreement on data interpretation. That statistics boss may now not be long for his role. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is higher again today at 1.58%. The US benchmark oil price just keeps on rising, and now just over $46.50 a barrel, and the Brent benchmark is just over $49 a barrel. The gold price is also up. It's up $9, now at $1,349 an ounce. And the Kiwi dollar will start today stronger on the dairy result at 72.8 US cents, its highest in more than a month, at 94.5 Aussie cents and 64.6 euro cents. The TWI is now at 75.6, and that's up about 0.5%. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.